Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Aries. Aries people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Aries, in this reading, first of all, I am going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Ace of Cups, Queen of Wands. Aries, there is a good news for you. A new emotional connection is about to start in your life. If you guys were single from a very long time, now it is a time for you to get mingle. Okay, some new emotional connection is arriving in your life. Okay, somebody is arriving in your life with lot of emotions, lot of love, lot of colors, lot of happiness, lot of peace, lot of joy. Okay, so something is going to start in your life which will fill your heart with compassion, peace, love, affection, emotion. Okay, some new beginning is arriving in your life, Aries. On the other hand, we have Queen of Wands. This person, it seems like this person was or is taking the right time, or just waiting for the right time to take right action. Okay, they have the sunflower in their hand and they have this wand in their hand. It means that they want to start something which relates to emotion, something which relates to soft feelings. Okay, it could be love, it could be affection, it could be attraction. Okay, so they are waiting for the right time, and it seems like the right time has arrived with this Ace of Cups. It is an indication for you, Aries, that something is about to start in your life which is going to fill your heart with love and peace. Now let's see what is the mutual energy. What is the mutual energy? Awareness. Okay. Aries, it seems like, see, if you guys are completely single now, it is a good news for you that somebody new is arriving in your life. And for those who are not single, who are with somebody else, this card means that all your worries or all your concerns are going to end, because you are going to move up in this relationship. Okay, you are going to experience the next level, you are going to see the next level of this relationship. Okay, with your current partner only. The mutual energy of you and your person is awareness. You need to, both of you, this advice is for both of you. Both of you need to understand that if somebody comes into our life, that person could be for a short period of time, could be for a longer period of time. Okay, but what matters is that how this person is behaving or acting towards us. Okay, you need to be aware. There are some people who are not good for you, not good for your family, not good for your mental peace, not good for your growth. All right, however, there are some people who are meant to be in our life, who can push us in life to get success, to move ahead in life. Okay, so if you guys are doing any kind of fling kind of a thing, if you guys are into some non-serious relationship, now is the time for you to serious in relationship. Okay, you need to be aware. Just don't waste your time, efforts, energy on temporary people. Like, okay, now let's see what your person feels about you, Aries. Clinging to the past, healing, maturity. Okay, Aries, your person feels about you clinging to the past. According to them, you are somebody who's still moving around in your past memories. Oh God, I did this, so this thing happened with me. What if I did XYZ action at that point of time? So basically you are roaming around in your past memories only. my old time was so good, my old time was so peaceful, this, that, blah blah blah. You must be missing somebody from your past. Okay, so there is something which is holding you back. There are certain emotions which are holding you back. They are not letting you go. Okay, they are not giving you your own space, that hey, please move on in life. They are not doing it. So you need to be stubborn right now. If you want to move ahead in life, you need to be stubborn. It's okay, everyone has past memories, but your past is your past. Your past is not you. You have a full life to live, a complete life and a whole life to live. All right, the current action which your partner is doing towards you, Aries, is giving you healing. Okay, if physically they are not around with you, but yes, mentally they are giving you, sending you healing, sending you love, sending you affection, sending you a lot of emotions. Okay, perhaps they haven't told you this thing, but yes, they are praying for you, for your healing, for your mental peace, for your physical health and everything. Okay, so even though they are not taking any action towards you, but still they are taking action towards you. Okay, because they want you to be completely out of those past memories. The third card, maturity card, says that your person is waiting for you to gain more knowledge in life. Okay, perhaps you were somebody, or since you are into clinging into your past, your person cannot go with you in this position. Until you won't move out from this situation, they will not be able to move ahead in life. And it seems like this is the obstacle which is holding them back. Your clinginess to the part towards your past is the only obstacle which they are facing. The moment you will be out from this energy and you will get some wisdom and some maturity in life, they will definitely take some action towards you, and they want to take some action towards you. Okay, so Aries, it seems like you guys are dealing with water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Some of you could be dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is in this reading, and some of you could be dealing with fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. All right, Aries people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell notification button so that you can get all my videos notification on time. Thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.